kitties. If you're new here, I'm Kitty Close 18 and I love nails. To all my returning subscribers, hey, what's up? So we're just jumping right into this video, y'all. I'm doing my client's nails. And this is one of she's not even a client anymore. She's a friend. I met her at one of my past jobs. And we're just doing some simple black Frenchies, but I'm going to be showing you how I do my Frenchies. Okay. She usually does a French, but we always do a twist with whether it's a different color, whether it's chrome, whatever it is. And yeah, so I've already applied the nail tips, blended it. You saw me applying alcohol. That's what I use as my dehydrator. And I think I'm applying my primer, the whole nine. You guys have seen it before. If you have any specific questions, just drop that down in the comment section below and I will definitely answer it. Y'all know I answer y'all questions, right? So here we are going in. Child, remember what nude this is. Sorry. I know I'm using my Panna brush in the size 14, and it's definitely me a secret, but child, I don't remember which one. I ain't gonna hold you. I don't know if it's a color Cover Rose. I think it's Cover Rose. But anyway, I'm going in with a nude because we're gonna do a nude base. I have a lot of cover colors, and I do that for a variety of reasons. One of them is I'm a shopaholic when it comes to nails and nail products. Okay, so if you didn't know that, now you know, and all my kitties know, yeah, your girl got a problem. Okay, but I do it also because sometimes one nude is not necessarily for every skin tone. Everybody has a different skin tone, different undertone to the skin tone, and sometimes depending on the design you want, you might require a different kind of a nude. So that's my reasoning, but y'all already know the underlying reason is because I just like buying nail stuff. Okay. Um, but it is my hobby and I love it. I love doing this. So yeah, I'm gonna put my money in what I love. So yeah, that's that. So we're pretty much gonna go in with the nude. I'm gonna try to remember which one I used, but again, I don't remember. It's definitely a Mia secret. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put the nude over the entire nail. We're not adding anything else. The black Frenchies are coming with gel. I know some people love doing the French with acrylic, and though it is cleaner, I want to say, or more seamless that way. I'm never gonna hold you. It's a lot of work for me because you have to make that reverse French with the acrylic. Then you have to go in and file it to make sure it's sharp, and then you got to go in and put the other color and you got to file. Girl, listen, I ain't doing that. I ain't doing that. I'm doing that. I don't want to do that. Unless someone specifically asks for that, or unless someone comes to me with a design or inspo, and I can tell like that's the kind of French that was done, then I'll do it. But I also let people know, listen, child, it's gonna take a little bit more time. But yeah. So we're just gonna go ahead, lay down that acrylic, and yeah, they'll see it. They'll see it. We're gonna get through these steps together. I'm not gonna talk as much in this video because I am coming off of having a slight cold, but God is good because I am feeling 1,000% better. Okay, that is the power of prayer, sleep, and some good home remedies. Thanks, Mom. So, um, I'm not gonna talk much. I know I gab. Hello, my real name is Gabby, and I gab. But I'm not gonna do that in this video. It's a short video as well. I I'm banging out a lot of my shorter videos for you guys. If you guys want longer videos, let me know. But you guys seem to like the shorter videos. You actually watch more of it. Yeah, side eye. But I'm not gonna talk much, and I'm still talking. So y'all go ahead and continue watching, and I'll jump in when I'm needed. All right, kitties, the acrylic has been fried, dyed, and laid to the side, and it's done. We're going to now file the nails, okay? I'm using an 8080 nail file. It's Carlash, and I get them off of Amazon. They're pretty decent, so I tend to just go ahead and reorder it from them. So yeah, we're just gonna file. We're gonna get that shape nice and crisp, okay? And yeah, that's it, pretty much. Y'all already know. Y'all know this part. If you don't know this part, I'm gonna seal them cuticles. I am using an extra fine drill bit here. However, this is not a safety drill bit, so I always put that disclaimer. If you're not comfortable using, drill bits that are not a safety drill bit, don't use it. Practice, 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 and get more comfortable. So you can definitely use a safety drill bit to seal the cuticles. I tend to go for these. After I've sealed the cuticles, I buff. We want it smooth, smooth, smooth. So her acrylic was laid pretty nicely, if I do say so myself. So I just had to buff with a buffer. And now I am cleaning off the nail with my manicure brush and 50% alcohol, getting everything dust free. And kind of dehydrating the nail again because now I'm going to apply my mat. So I will tell you this, if you are drawing on a nail, please, either some people use a top coat, a lot of people use a base coat. I use a matte top coat because you want a very smooth line, and the acrylic, once it's just straight acrylic, it can become porous, and then the if you're using gel or gel paint or whatever, it tends to seep in and spread and look really weird. So I go in with a matte top coat, cure that for 60 seconds, and then I proceed to draw. But like I said, if you have a base coat, use a base coat. Thin layer though. You don't want the nail to become chunky from the different layers, because remember, after you draw, you still got to go on top of that with either a top coat or a matte top coat. So thin layers, um, and go to town. So this is how I do my French. As you see, I start with the lines on the side. I draw a line in the middle to center myself, a line straight across, and then I curve in the corner lines. That's pretty much what I do. I do this for every French. Um, and this is the best way for me. You'll see me then come in with my French cleanup brush. I got it from Shein, but you can get it from anywhere. I suggest Shein only because it's cheaper, and you're gonna end up running through that because you're literally dipping it in acetone and trying to clean up lines. You're not using it for anything else. That brush should not be used for anything else because you want those brush bristles to stay nice and flat and straight. But to each his own. Not everybody uses a cleanup brush because they nice with it. I'm alright with it, so I'm gonna use my cleanup brush for my Frenches. Okay. Um, so yeah, this is it. The other tip I would say is to keep your liner brush saturated with color. You want to make sure that while as you're drawing, there is gel or gel paint all the way through. It's easier, it's better, swift movements. That's all we're doing. So yeah, this is how I do my French, guys. If you have any tips or tricks for anyone else, please drop them in the comment section below. We are here to help. That's what my community is about and for. If you are here to hate, you can exit stage left because we're not here for that. All right? Thanks. And these are how they turned out, y'all. They look so cute. My client loved them. I love them. I hope you like them. Drop me a black heart emoji down in the comment section below if you love them. And like I always tell you guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and stay prayed up. And until next time, bye, kitties.